Hello everyone, welcome to a small turbo channel. So guys, I really miss you a lot. So it's been 2 or 3 days, I guess, since I was not able to give a tutorial for you. So now let's have another tutorial. So I want to utilize this microphone in creating these words here in our document. So how did we do it? So sometimes we find ourselves not feeling well, so all we just want to do is just to talk and talk and never move or what. So for example, you need to create certain document or a report, but then you don't want to touch the keyboard of your computer or personal computer. So what you're going to do is go to google.com, then click here. So if you have logged in already, you can see your profile picture in here. Just click on the Google Apps. We have a low internet connection. Alright, so just if you have logged in already, you can see your profile pictures here. Just click on the Google Apps. Just click on Docs. And in here, let's have the blank. So let's title this document as Habits. Let's delete this first. Habits of Rich People. That's the title of our document now. Alright, so let's type the words here, our content. So all we have to do is first go to Tools and then click here, Voice Typing. And if you want to start now, just click the microphone icon here. Okay, let's try. Habits of Rich People. New line. New line. New line. So maybe we're just going to and click this one. No, not unclick but click. Then just enter instead of saying new line. Number 1. They have a high self-concept. Period. Period. Let me click that one first. So for us to have the icon period, we just have to say period. Okay, let me do it again. Period. Period. Ano bang nangyari? Ba't i-write talaga niya ang ano? So dapat ay icon lang yun. Or punctuation, punctuation mark na period. So paano ko ba sabihin para punctuation mark na period ang i-write niya? Period. Nawala na. Period. New line. New line. Next paragraph. Ano ba to? So, dapat period. Number 2. Two. Medyo lag kasi ang internet connection namin dito. Space. They step outside their comfort zone. Period. Number 3. Number 3. 3. They always think positively. Period. Number 4. 4. They have a high self-ideal. Let me click that one first so that every time I'm going to speak here, it won't be recorded there. So this is the bad thing if, for example, we cannot or we do not pronounce the words correctly. The word that will be registered in the blank page would not be the correct word too. It would be faulty then. So make sure that if you use this voice typing tool, you really do pronounce the words correctly. Alright, so let's continue. They should be ideal. So let's just do it again. Ideal. Period. Alright. 3 habits of rich people. New line. Number 1. Count their money regularly. Period. Number 2. Pay themselves first. Then, save and invest. Number 3. New line. New line. New line. Number 3. Number 3. Number 3. Number 3. Improve their earning ability. Alright, so basically, So let me just click the microphone if you want to stop it, so that the next word that you are going to say will not be recorded. So just click again on the microphone icon. So these are the beauty of using the tool voice typing. So you can easily, all you have to do afterwards is just to edit it, um, make some changes if you want to um, change some words, because for example, um, they were not registered correctly according to how you say it. So that's it. That's how to use this voice typing tool in your Google Docs. So I hope I have imparted to you my new discovery now, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.